Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, original, authentic, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, trolls, imposters, or trolls that go in my live video chat at the hospital day. And I went to the emergency room. Last night I got up in the kitchen to put the mop in the bathroom and went about 5 feet and almost keeled over. Just got very weak. My head was flushed, red hot, and then it went from red hot to ice cold, and it was scary. There was no, and it still feels red hot. And yet they said my temperature was 97.6. I can't figure that out. The doctor said he didn't know why the neuropathy was going on in my face and my ankles. They did all the tests. They did the CAT scan. And they said one level on one of the tests was a little high. But other than that, he says, you have a sinus infection, and that's what's driving a lot of this. I know I've had a sinus infection for months. He put me on Augmentin. I'll go get that tomorrow. So I did not get a lot of rest this morning. I didn't sleep all night and went to sleep about 4:30 and woke up at 5:30, went back to sleep till 9:30, but it wasn't really sleep, it was just exhaustion. And on the way back, it got super cold in Walnut Creek and windy and super cold here. I have no idea how windy it is. All right, there's two items here. I've already opened them up. Where did the other one go? Here it is. And I've got a second Burgh unboxing to do after this, and then I'm going to go to cat feeding, and then I'm going to bed. So I thank all the people that watched it. I can't understand the video is not showing up in my listing of videos, but people said they watched it. Maybe because it was uploading from the hospital. They have very good Wi-Fi at John Muir Walnut Creek emergency room. I am envious. And they got rid of the wonderful $3 slice pizza. I was tempted to have a slice of pizza after I was getting hungry. But all right, what we have here, it is called the 3D Zia Clunk, and unfortunately, let me see. Hold on. Okay, this takes something. You know what? And once again, they don't tell you anything. Lightboard cleaning methods, hot breath in the board. With a lens cleaning cloth can graze. Moo. Product voltage 85 volt to 265 volt. Light guide place plexiglass. But that's all they say. So there's the box. The 3D ZHAV visualization lamp. Oh, wait a minute. The right side of a very challenging brain and visual illusion lamp, visual feast, 3D table lamp, laser carved, depicts a romantic road pattern so that the night is not monotonous. Now, okay. Here is a blue piece of fabric. I don't know why, what that's for. The thing that came in is very strange. Here's the bottom of the thing, so I gotta get some batteries out. Hopefully I won't do what I usually do, is wind up having them go on the floor. Alright, let's see. This takes 3 batteries. 3 AA batteries. And I went to Kathy's the other day, and her computer wasn't working because the mouse battery was dead. And I've been nagging her for months, go buy rechargeable batteries because you're wasting money if you do it otherwise. All right, there are the batteries. There's the light. Turn this off so you can see the light shining through. There we go. You could use this as a night light. You could use it as a flashlight. You could pretend to be Obi-Wan Kenobi. All right. You could pretend to be an alien UFO landing. There's all kinds of things you could do with it. All right. So now we will close this. So it is lighted. Has a USB cable. but it will not reach to the USB charger. It has an instruction book. Operation steps. Plug in power. You can light up. Touch the switch to change the color. Touch the switch again to change color, transform, and so on and so forth. So, and we have here a backing of paper backing, talking like they do. I've met Chinese from China. They all can speak perfect English, but when you get these instructions, they're never quite in normal colloquial English. I've been tongue-tied all day here. Okay. Doctor also said if the medication does not work in 4 days to go back. So now, this is changing colors by itself. Look at this. It's changing it from blue to red to, feel like we're in an episode of The Invaders. The Roy Dennis show, not the other Invaders. Okay, I got it off. And what this is, it is a very silly looking like a kitten or a fuzzy cat. If it will go in properly. There we go. I'll turn the light off. And there he is. And there's the USB thing, and there's the button to change the colors. Apparently no remote. You have to do this by hand. But it's kind of cute. I like it. I don't know where I'm going to put it. Kind of out of room for light things, but and there doesn't seem any way. Let me see. There's no off switch, which is really dumb. No off switch. Go figure that out. Absolutely no off switch. I guess you have to pull the batteries to turn this thing off. But it's still cool. Thank you for this, whoever sent it to me. And I'll figure it out later. I will put in, you fit there for now without falling. I don't know. Not quite. There, we can do it that way. There we go. Kitty will be up there. That's cool for now. All right, there is that one. I thank you whoever sent it. I have no idea. Oh, and there was a note, have a great birthday, to that effect. I'd have to find it in the package, but I'm too tired to look. And then we have this. I will wear these the next UFO event I go to. And it says here, it is a very ominous green alien. And it is a pair of socks. And it says, with a saucer, humans aren't real. So we have the humans aren't real pair of socks here. There he is. Your typical green, not gray, green alien. There's a pair of humans aren't real socks. So thank you for this too. All right, that's it for this one. So after I go feed the kitties, Mama Cat was waiting for me. It is freezing downstairs. And then I will go feed the kitties, have a cup of hot tea, and go to bed. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Thank you for watching the live video today. I'll have to figure out why it didn't show up in my listing of videos later after I've had some sleep. And I will catch you next time. Have a great evening and be safe and be warm and dry or cool and dry. Bye-bye for now.